You know that's right, Neville. Morning. Um, yeah, today's the day for Smile Jamaica interview. It's now 5:55, which is basically 1 hour away. I set the phone to alarm from about 4 o'clock. Get up, change the alarm to 4:30. Changed again to 5 o'clock. Changed again to about 5:30, and it's like a jump up when it was like 5:40 something. Cause I tired like last night. It just feel rough with the babies. So I'm feeling tired, but I'm just going to run now and get a shower and get settled for the interview. Everybody else is sleeping. Well, for now still, because I'm sure Leland's are and everybody still get up. So I'm going to run, get a shower and get myself settled. No, alright, so yeah, so forward. Alright. So yeah, ready now. My energy picking up. Do some jumping jacks and some stretches. But yeah, it's now 20 minutes before the producer wants to come on at 6:30 to just make sure that my background and all that is okay. And because she called yesterday to check where I was going to be, but she wasn't liking the lighting. It was too much lighting. 'Cause at that time of the day, a lot of the sun is coming inside. So like, no man, in the morning it will be fine. Not as much, but it kind of looking a little dark to me now. So I'm going to go back in there and look to see exactly, if it's okay or if we need to make an adjustment. But yeah, soon show time. Let me practice my laugh. Oh, yes, Simone. Yes, yes, true, true, true. You know that's right, Neville. Going to be calm and composed and myself. Can't go wrong with that. Calm, composed, and be yourself. That's right. The thought of the day, though. Be calm, be composed, be yourself, and go with God. That's the thought for the day, guys. Going to get inside and get ready for Smile Jamaica. See you soon. So, of course, this is me, watching the show before to see what's going on. What's going on? Okay, hot topic section. Talking about reggae girls and all that. Nice. I'm not sure if I should watch. Well, no really matter. And this is the set that Tina created. It's a nice little background for where the interview will be done. I think the lighting should be okay. Yeah, I think the lighting should be okay. And fun.
So imagine being a man in a house full of women. We wouldn't mind that. Well, Paula Reed doesn't have to imagine. He's the ultimate girl dad with not one, not two, but 5 young ladies and 2 sets of twins. Hey, Paul, welcome to Smile Jamaica.
Hey, morning, Neville. Also.
Okay, I'll come in. All is well with you?
Yeah, man. Always smile.
Twins in the family on either side somewhere, or no?
Yes. My wife's father is a twin, and her uncle as well. That's it.
Okay, so it probably wasn't a surprise that you had twins.
The first time it wasn't. It was more surprising.
The first time was, or was it?
Yeah, the first time was more surprising.
Oh, why?
It's something to think about and you wish for, but then when it happened, I remember the first time I went to the doctor and he cold sweat washed me. I feel cold, happy sad, all in one time. So it was a blow when I heard the news.
Was it something that you and your wife spoke about, that it is possible that we might have twins because of your father and stuff, or no?
Definitely, it was.
Yeah. Wow. So how quick after you heard did you get over that and say, well,
Well, I was good for the first day. Called people excited. Then the second day I got up and I was like, yo, wow. One time, and that's when reality started to kick in. Once we talk it through, we're fine, man. And look at us today.
And did you know beforehand? Because I know some people don't want to know. Did you know beforehand that they were girls?
Yes, we did. We knew at about 18 weeks that they were going to be girls.
And again, parents, before you have a child, some people say, I want a son, some people say, I want a daughter. Did that come up at all, whether you wanted a son or a daughter, or it just didn't matter?
I think, honestly, I wanted boys. My wife also wanted boys. And we're like, the first time we get girls, then there's always a second time. And the second time was more girls. Two more. Two more girls. So that is it, never. This is it.
In a serious way, how long did it take you to figure out? I have grand twins, and I still they're about 12 now, and still can't figure out who is who. That's different because I'm not the father. But how long did it take you to say, well, what are the names, by the way? Give me the names, please.
Alright, the first, our 2-year-old twins are Layla and Zara.
Yeah.
Our teenager is Hannah, and our newborn twins that were born in April are Eden and Ava.
Okay, so how quickly were you able to figure out who is who here?
Of these, no, the newborn twins, we're still having trouble. We still have trouble every day, to be very honest. There are times when mommy or daddy, we just like Layla and Zara, and we like, oh, it's the wrong one. It happens all the time.
But the older set you have it down pat down.
90% of the time we have it done.
I mean 90% of the time. Oh, 90% of the time. So still, look, they're identical twins?
They are identical, not scientifically, but if you put them side by side, it will be very hard for you to spot 5 differences.
Wow. Okay, so you have 5 girls. As a father, in a very serious way. So you wanted sons, you still don't have a son. But I suspect you have 5 beautiful girls. You must be happy for that.
Oh, my belly is full. My quiver is full, as the Bible puts it. My man, girls are awesome. Love every one of them bits and pieces.
Yeah.
And love them so much I don't need to go back anywhere for anything. Everybody tell me that is needed still. Boys.
So if your wife and your wife's name is Tina?
Right, Tina.
So if Mrs. Reed comes and says, I want to have another child, we will run by.
Oh man, I'll tell her we can find an adoption agency, and when the time is right, we can talk about it some more.
Do you know anyone who have a couple sets of twins?
Even the doctors we've seen, they were all surprised. You mean you had twins the last time, you have twins again? So personally, no, I don't. And many people I know don't either.
And what have they said in a serious way? Should you have kids again? Are they saying that it might very well be another set?
That is the reality. That's the reality, honestly. Yeah. That's why we're calling it a day. We have drawn the line in this one and walking away from it.
You know, for 2 years' time, I interview you again. I said, guess what? They remember what I said. So how are they in the house? And the bigger twins, how they react to the younger ones? How are they in the house?
It's a house of fun, trust me. It is just one big happy time. Never a dull moment, and we're kind of concerned when the newborn twins are coming along that the 2-year-old would feel a little left out.
Yeah.
But honestly, they have been around and they have been. My little sister, baby sister, kiss, and when they hear them crying, they run to them. So they matured almost in front of our eyes to accommodate these new additions, and we're really proud of them, Leila and Zara. Yeah. And Hannah for how they have been for the newborns.
Yeah. And as a dad, what has it been like for you in a very serious way? How much help you give with them and how is mommy with them?
Well, 10 minutes before coming out here, I had to make 2 bottles. So it is. My wife only has 2 hands, so there are more children than hands for her. So I have a choice, and it's all fun. Yeah, it's all about the responsibility.
fantastic. So you've got over the fact that you wanted boys and you don't have boys. You don't pass that.
No, my destiny is girls. That is what I have accepted.
Yeah, fantastic. And the grandparents are still around?
Yes, grandmothers are still around. And grandfather.
And you must get a lot of help here also.
Yeah, man, we do. Thank God for that.
Boy, this is fantastic. Great to meet you. I pray that everything will be fine with the young ones, and just keep on. You seem to be an outstanding father, obviously, and you seem to be having a great time. So tell them we love them and say hi to everybody from there. Look after yourself.
All right. Done.
Yeah, man. All right. Ultimate girl dad, Paul Reed. Happy Father's Day. 5 times when it comes.
Hi guys, good morning. It's another Saturday. We're about to run out on the road and pick up some things for breakfast and also get a treat for the kids. Yeah, so we're gonna take you along for the ride with us and talk about what happened yesterday.
Morning neighbor, what's good in the neighborhood? So let me tell you exactly what happened. First of all, thank you for the support yesterday. Smile Jamaica, it went well. Well, that's not heard it went well.
My husband turned celebrity.
Nothing like that, guys.
So how was the whole thing? What was it like talking to Neville, and were you nervous?
Neville's actually.
Did I sweat?
Neville's a cool dude. He's a cool dude. The sweat, don't watch the sweat. It was just. I know how production goes, so I know that they didn't want the fan noise and all that in the thing. So it wasn't nerves. I was comfortable.
It was just the heat.
Yeah,
the heat of the moment.
So actually, when I went to, I was getting ready. I was already in interview, and TVJ called me at about 6:30, 6:40, and the production guy said, "Hi, Mr. Reed, you need to come on now to the Zoom link." Because they sent me a Zoom link from the day before. So I went on the Zoom link now, and he said, "Alright, we're going to do an audio check soon. Just stand by." So I'm watching on the Zoom call the Smile Jamaica thing going on. And then he comes on and he says, "I'm looking at your stats, man. This is very impressive. Very impressive. 5 girls.
A basketball.
Very impressive stats." So I was there and I was like, "Yeah, man, cool." So he's talking to me now while I'm watching Smile Jamaica. I guess he's one of those, internal monitoring things. Anyway, still waiting for Neville, because I'm going to talk to Neville to do an order check. Couple minutes later, I hear our next voice. "Morning, Mr. Reed." I said, "Who is this?" It was a producer. And she said, "We're wondering, what is your age range?" "What is your age range, if you don't mind?" I said, "I don't mind." I said, "My age is on all months of the calendar."
Your age is somebody who is able to have 5 children.
Right, it's like them couldn't believe. And when I told her, she was like, him say, "Is this enough?" It's like there was a thing going on in the background, like they were trying to figure out how old I am. But apart from that, it went really well. Neville then came on and he said, "Morning, man. This is before the interview." I said, "Morning, man. Wow, 5 girls."
Yeah. You could see that Neville was tickled right throughout the interview.
Yeah,
I think he was excited to talk to you. It looked that way to me.
Yeah, he was definitely giving it to me. And one of the production assistants, she said, if you think we're gonna give you a joke, wait till Neville hold you, man." But it went well. Thank you for the support, guys. For sure, thank you for the support. And yeah, I don't know when they're doing something like this again, but it was good to know that you guys were in my corner, in our corner.
Yeah, how many of you were able to catch that interview? We know that the time was kind of short. We never got much notice either, as Paul said.
That's why we told you the day before.
Yeah, it was less than 24 hours notice that we got. So we tried to get the word out on our WhatsApp and Facebook and thing when everything was confirmed. So we just wanted to make sure that you guys saw the interview, so that's why we included it in this video.
Right, for those who didn't see it, you can get to see what happened. But yeah, thanks. That was that for that.
So we wanted them to give us a little opportunity to promote our channel, you know, because that's basically where you get a chance to see into what we do on a day-to-day basis as a family, and what the five girls get up to, and what we as the parents do to manage having all those children and the 2 sets of twins. So we wanted that, but never mentioned the name of the channel.
It never work out. So you could see the producer told me, yes, Mr. Reed, I told him that we were going to talk about the YouTube channel, and as the interview was going on, it was kind of winding down, and I was like, is he leaving without saying the YouTube? And I saw the moment slipping from me, and I was like, oh crap. And then eventually it looked like he got a message in his ear, and he said, oh, by the way, because he already started talking about the other person to come. And then he said, oh, by the way, Paul has a YouTube channel. But by that time, if somebody look for Paul Reed, that's not the channel name, so he will never find me. You never find a family that way. You never find a blog that way. But the post is on Twitter and on Facebook, and the subscriber count just kept running.
Yeah, because we started the morning at 5:13, right? But by the time Paul done the interview, my sister said the subscriber count jumped to 520 something. So I said, Paul, how this happen?
Yeah.
Because we knew that we never get a chance to never said the name of the channel. So we were wondering, how is this happening?
How them find me?
How them find Paul? Because we typed in Paul Reed in YouTube, and me and my host never come up.
Welcome to all the new subscribers who came in, especially the ones that came in yesterday after the show. Big up. Welcome to the neighborhood, and welcome from me and my host. As we see, this is where we chronicle our story with all the 5 girls. Here Layla and Zara going on about beach. We're by the seaside, and the other babies are Hannah feeding one of the babies, and the other one is sleeping right here. So thank you guys, we really appreciate the support from everybody, the regulars and the new subscribers. Big up and welcome. So going forward, oh, by the way, we're at the 500 mark. We've crossed the 500 line. So hip hip hooray! Hooray! We crossed the 500 mark, and it's all to you guys. I mean, out of 3. 1, 2, 3. Thank you! You wouldn't understand the joy that we'll have producing these videos. We love hearing the comments. We love hearing from you.
Yes,
if you
guys.
never know, we love hearing from you. We love seeing the comments. We love replying.
What that means is that you guys, please feel free to comment. We know that a lot of you watch the videos, you know, and don't comment.
It could be the weirdest thought. It could be the weirdest moment you just want to highlight. Type it. Don't feel restrained in any way.
And don't turn to our WhatsApp and message us. We know a lot of you do that too.
Yes. So
because you have our personal contact.
Yeah, man. So we want to hear everything in the comments, so the neighborhood can see all that's going on. People can talk to each other and everything.
Yes, please. Because that's where you guys will get an opportunity to rap and to talk to each other, and that's where that's our preferred platform for interacting with you.
So yeah, give us a thumbs up of approval when you like the video, so we can know so we're going on good. You understand? So just let us know by giving us a thumbs up at any point in the video.
So if you're new, drop us a comment and let us know who you are.
Fun fact, about 1/3 of our viewers are from Jamaica or watch from Jamaica, you know.
1/3? That's all?
Yeah, that's all.
So 2/3 are not from Jamaica?
Yeah, I know that USA, Japan, Canada, UK, I know that they will have a Guyanese subscriber as well, at least one. So if you're especially if you're from a different country or different nationality, drop your flag in the comments under this video. Big up, we're international anyway. But really appreciate it, guys, believe me. So our videos, we're going to be trying to stick to a proper schedule.
Try guys, but
no, not try. We're going to,
our schedule
Right, our schedule
is
Tuesdays, Thursdays, Saturdays at 6 p.m. every
you can
Tuesdays.
look out for it at that time.
Right, we're going to schedule it for that time.
But you guys know how things go.
No,
so
not say that.
no, Paul, we have to put in that disclaimer. So guys, you
Working
know,
today.
set things
Tuesday,
well
Thursday, Saturday.
busy. You know how the things set. So if you don't see us post at our usual time, or if we miss a day, don't kill me.
Alright, so in addition to our regular videos, we'll be doing shorts, which is a new feature on YouTube. Videos that are less than a minute long can be put in what they call a short. And so we'll, from time to time, unscheduled, we'll be doing a song here or there or sharing something funny just to brighten up your day. So these may come outside of the regular Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. May come on a Monday or whenever. We'll have something short and spicy to share, or just something encouraging. So look out for those as well, and for sure those will be very shareable. It may be a song of encouragement. You just share with your friend them and make them feel good too. Alright?
So tell somebody else about the channel, introduce somebody else, share the video, share this video, share any video. But we just want to thank you guys so much for all your support, and we've enjoyed being here with you, and we hope to continue to provide you with laughter and with, you know, entertainment and all the things that we currently provide and that we get from you. We hope to continue to get that.
So until next time, big up from me and my host. Bye.